control your brain and everything will fall into place. कब से ये पहाड़ चढ़ रहा हूँ मैं, कब से ये चीज कर रहा हूँ, मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है।
इतना क्यूट सी लग रहा है बेटा।
जैसे कि नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, तूने तो इतना कभी पहाड़ चढ़ा ही नहीं है, तू नहीं चढ़ सकती है तू। Hi guys, welcome back to Adulting with Us. So recently मैं एक ट्रिप पे गई थी गिरनार जी। So गिरनार इज बेसिकली एक जैन तीर्थ स्थान है एंड वहाँ पर जाने के लिए आपको 3000 स्टेप्स चढ़नी पड़ती है ऊपर हाइट पे, मतलब जहाँ मंदिर उधर पहुँचने के लिए। ओके, तो आपको भी पता होगा ऐसे बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स होते हैं एंड मैं वहाँ गई थी एंड व्हेन आई वाज क्लाइंबिंग दैट माउंटेन व्हिच यू विल सी इन दिस वीडियो, तो मुझे इतना कुछ रियलाइज हुआ, लाइक देयर वर सो मेनी रियलाइजेशन एंड आई टुक माय फोन एंड मैं लिखने लग गई उसमें these are the things which I'm realizing. And so here are top 8 things which I realized while climbing Girnar. Breaks are a myth and momentum is the key. Because once you stop moving, your mind starts wandering. It's not just about climbing, first of all. These are the lessons you can use in your life. I use in my life till now and I will be using them. So जब भी आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो तो अगर आप एकदम स्टॉप हो जाते हो कि अब नहीं हो रहा, रुक जाता हूँ मैं थोड़ा सा, सो आपका माइंड वंडर करने लग जाता है, यू गेट कंफ्यूज्ड एंड इट्स रियली हार्ड वापस से स्टार्ट करना उस चीज को. बट व्हेन यू are in momentum, so you can get slow, you can walk slowly, you can climb slowly, you can just do that thing slowly. But when you keep moving, your mind stays aligned with the purpose. Just like in spirituality, consistency is equals to devotion. Second one, the mountain looks highest only from the below. See, when you are down and you look up, आपको दिखेगा कि oh shit मुझे इतना चढ़ना है. But the moment you take your first step, it's like God is with you and God is helping you walk. And it's just same in life. Whenever we are trying to start a big project or new something, we are trying to go to new college, starting any new journey, हमको लगता है कि नहीं होगा, it's just too much, I cannot do this. For example, I'm an engineer, so I will try to make an app. मुझे लगेगा नहीं, मुझसे नहीं बनेगा. There are so many steps in making app, इतना कुछ करना होता है, मैं कैसे करूँगी? But the moment you take the first step, you will start that things are falling into places. So it is really important to take the first step and keep climbing because the mountain only feels high from the ground. But once you are at top, it will be worth it. Just keep climbing. Third one, faith reduces weight. So when you're climbing the mountain, you feel like there is somebody, presence of someone that which is guiding you, which is just like जो आपके साथ है, आपके साथ चल रही है, आपको हेल्प कर रही है. Like when you're climbing, so your legs may feel heavier, but in your heart you feel everything is calm. I got this. I know, and this is all because of faith. जब आपको किसी चीज में faith होता है, भरोसा होता है कि मैं चढ़ जाऊंगा, God is with me. And it is important to keep this faith in your life too. Whenever you're climbing, whenever you are doing something very hard, it is important to keep this faith and to know that there is deep some presence which is guiding you. Someone somewhere is helping you. Because somewhere in the climb, you will realize that you are not climbing alone. There is a presence which is guiding you upwards. And just make sure to keep faith in that presence. Fourth one, the higher you climb, the quieter your mind gets. So climbing Girnar teaches you that spirituality does not lie in this noise, in the noise of human world, in the noise of all these materialistic things. It arrives slowly, step after step, as your thoughts settle and your breath becomes prayer. And I would like to explain it because when you're climbing, आपको लगेगा कि बहुत तेज सांसें आ रही है आपकी, आपसे चढ़ा नहीं जा रहा है, everything is getting heavier. But in that difficulty, and in that silence, you will just find yourself. You will know that oh, this is who I am. And when with every step, I don't know, it's just magical. And I'm here trying to explain it, but what you feel there is just inexplainable. And to be honest, it's not just about Girnar, it's about life, and it's about any trek you go on. The more you climb, the heavier your legs start feeling, your heart just starts feeling lighter. मतलब आपको इतना हल्का महसूस होने लग जाएगा, like सारा बोझ सब चला गया है. Even though you are like carrying a 5 kilo का bag, you will feel like everything is light, इतना calm, shanti. That's why I think trekking is really important in life, and I am a big fan of trekking. Fifth one, most people quit just before the views get beautiful. There are always points where you want to turn back, and especially वाले points वही होते हैं when you're closest to peak and you know that पहुंचने वाले हैं, but it's almost there, but you feel like giving up because you have used every ounce of your energy. आप सब use कर लेते हैं, you put your all efforts and everything just in that one climb, and somehow जब आप almost there होते हो, you start feeling like कि नहीं हो रहा है, मैं कब से ये पहाड़ चढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं कब से ये चीज कर रहा हूँ, मुझसे नहीं हो पा रहा है, and you feel like giving up. And 80% of people gives up at that time, but the 20 which keeps moving, keeps climbing, they reach to the top and then they get to see the beautiful view, and it's always worth it to give just one more try. Just one more step, it is worth it, I promise you. Sixth one, your mind gives up before your body does. See, whenever you are doing anything physically, you are at gym or you're climbing or you're doing anything, it's always your mind. Like आपकी बॉडी चढ़ पा रही है, ठीक है, मेरी बॉडी ऊपर क्लाइंब कर रही है, हो रहा है मुझसे, बट माई माइंड स्टार्ट सेइंग पीछे से कि नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, तूने तो इतना कभी पहाड़ चढ़ाई है, तू नहीं चढ़ सकती है, तू तो आज तक नहीं चढ़ पाई. दैट्स द थिंग, आज तक नहीं चढ़ पाई हूँ, आज चढ़ूंगी और ऊपर पहुंचूंगी. यू हैव टू टेल योर माइंड दैट कि आज तक नहीं हुआ है, एंड दिस इज नॉट द पास्ट मी, दिस इज द प्रेजेंट मी. आई एम चेंजिंग माई सेल्फ, आई एम चेंजिंग एवरीथिंग फॉर मी. You have to fight your mind, not your body. You can take few more steps, but once your mind starts saying and you lose your control to your mind, trust me, you will start losing. So keep it under control. Seventh one, progress does not always feels like progress. Sometimes it happens कि मैं 20 मिनट से चल रही हूँ and you just feel like you're at the same point. But when you look back, when you look down, you see that how far you have came. And trust me, you can only see how far you have came by looking backwards. You can only connect the dots by looking backwards. And this is something which Steve Jobs has said, that you can only connect dots by looking backwards. And I live by it, because you know, when you are moving forward, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि nothing is making sense. What am I doing? What am I doing with my life? I don't know where I'm going. Is this the right way? Am I going wrong? What is happening with me? And after, like in life, we say after 6 to 8 months or after a few years, after a certain time period, you will look back and you will see it that everything was worth it. But in order to see that, you need to keep climbing, because एक step चढ़ने के बाद तो result नहीं दिख सकता है ना. At least 100 stairs चढ़ूंगी तो थोड़ा सा आगे पहुंचूंगी. And you need to keep that patience in yourself, that you got this, and you need to have faith and believe in yourself and believe in God, that He will help you climb. He is the one जो यहाँ तक लाया, and He will hold your hand और वो आगे ले जाएंगे. And yeah, progress is pain. Progress is just a beautiful thing which can only be seen from the top. Eighth one, you reach the top twice, once physically and the second mentally. The physical climb ends when you have reached the summit, the top. The physical climb is ended. कि अब आ गए हैं, अब क्या है? You mentally start reaching the summit, the mind shift, the clarity. When you're sitting at the top in the silence, feeling the breeze, seeing the temple, seeing the God in front of you, everything just feels different. You feel like you are in another world. You feel like आपने सिर्फ एक mountain नहीं climb करा है. You have just entered another world. You have crossed a portal, and the silence, and you just sit there in silence, and everything starts making sense. You sit there, you think about your life, you think about your decisions that you have taken, and you know, when you reach to the top of anything, for example, when you are trying to do anything in your life, and you're trying to get 90% marks in your 10th board, you got it. You're trying to get a job, you got it. And there will always be tears in your eyes, because from the top, when you look down, you can feel your struggles, you can see your struggles, and then only everything starts making sense, that why that breakup happened, that why you fall off, that why you broke your leg, that why you did not got the joining letter. But when you are at the time when you don't have your joining letter, when you don't have the job, when you are just failing continuously, you can only see failures, because of course you are surrounded by failures. How am I supposed to see that I'm going to get so successful that day? But you know, faith is the only thing. Hope is the only thing. Hope is so strong. Just control your brain and everything will fall into place. At least this is what I believe. So here was my cute little vlog of my Girnar trip.
And I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe Tangle Tales for more such videos.